We should change our distillation type from simple distillation to fractional distillation, as it is overall better for our company. Because fractional distillation is much more precise, it will not only increase the volume of distillate that is over 90% methanol and decrease the portion that is less than 10% methanol, it also lowers the amount of distillation processes. In the graph titled Distillate Volume versus Temperature, the orange line represents simple distillation, while the green line represents fractional distillation. As you can see, the simple distillation starts higher than the fractional and is a much faster process. The fractional line is much more of a gradual rise in temperature. This means that you can get a much more precise distillation process, giving you more of the desired products. Not only that, but because of the precision, less distillations will have to be done to get more product. Because simple distillation is so quick, it is much less accurate in the product that it makes. This means that more processes will have to happen to increase purity. These processes will not only take time, but also the additional energy to perform them. This means more costs in the long run because more power needed, and while fractional distillation could have had pure product done and ready to be sold, simple distillation's extra steps would cause delays. In addition to the time and energy lowering profits, simple distillation also has less high quality pure methanol to be sold. Fractional distillation increases the yield of over 90% and under 10% products. This means we will have more sellable product, increasing the use of our resources. In the table containing a side-by-side comparison of the simple and fractional distillation data, it is clear how large the difference is between the two. When looking at the over 90%, aka over 0.9 mole fraction, the simple distillation column has only 8 milliliters of distillate, while fractional has 17 milliliters. That is a 112% increase in pure sellable product. Overall, there are many reasons why the wood chemical company should switch from simple to fractional distillation, including an increase in sellable product, decrease in power bill, and a decrease in production time.